Welcome to a new episode, and today I'll show you how the Mark 8 Fiesta ST facelift splitter is fitting on the Mark 8 non-facelift, and how it looks like and how you mount it. So this is how it looks like mounted. It's an discrete front splitter and doesn't stand out as much as the typical maxton designs does. More sudden and gets the front end that it's missing originally, so it ends the front nicely. So how do you mount it on a Mark 8? There are 6 points where the clips goes in originally. You doesn't have to take the bumper off. You just have to lift it up a bit. Then you have 6 clips under a front bumper that holds it. 2 of them, the 2 in the middle, they goes straight on. The other 4 are slightly off, and you might can get them to fit, but the sides of the splitter doesn't fit straight on. They are I think the new bumper are slightly wider than the old one, so you have to bend them a little to get them to fit straight. And the whole splitter is sitting with rivets all around, and then it's sitting with 5 guides also, 1 in the middle and 2 each side, where you have to drill in the front bumper to get it to fit. Otherwise than drilling for the guides and drilling for the rivet, it's an almost straight on fit, and with some tweaking it goes straight on. Here you can see how the guides are sitting and where they are, and how rivets are placed all around, and how the mounting points are supposed to fit straight on. Here you can see there are rivets all around, and there are just rivets and clips that hold it in place. It's a simple upgrade if you want an Ford original front splitter. The splitter costs around 150 and 200 euros new, and you can get it in your local Ford dealership. I will have the part number in the descriptions as well. For further info and directions, look in the description, and if you have any thoughts or questions, just drop them down below. If you like this type of content, please give it a like and subscribe, and I will get to some more content in the future. See you then. Bye.